Hi, I am Phalla from khmertutor.com. Today, you will learn one of Khmer consonant, Tho. Tho has aspiration sound Th. Here are some examples. Thou, Thou, Thauk, Thauk, Thau Cài, Thau Cài, Thau Cài Thả, Thô Ní, Minh Thau Tề. Thảo cái thà thầu ní mình thao tệ. And now you have learned one of my consonant tho. I hope this lesson is useful. Please subscribe, like, give a good comment and click the bell icon for notification when I post a new lesson. If you want to learn Khmer with me, go to my website khmertutor.com and send me a message. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson. Bye.